A very good morning, dear students. Today we will start new chapter of your syllabus, that is chapter 5 Euclid Geometry. As the chapter name is Euclid's Geometry. It means first of all, in Euclid geometry, what do you understand by Euclid and what do you understand by geometry? Euclid was a Greek mathematician. He was a mathematician. He gave some terms about geometry. First of all, we must be clear with meaning of geometry. Geometry is geo plus metry. It is made up of two words, geo and metry. Geo means earth, as you know very well, and metro means to measure. It means in geometry, in this part of mathematics, there are so many parts of mathematics and one branch is geometry. In geometry, we measure the shapes, we measure the figures, we measure the solid figures in our subject. So, Euclid, a Greek mathematician, gave some definitions, gave some theorems, gave some axioms or gave some postulates. You must study axioms and postulates later on. So, he gave all of the terms. So, first of all, there are so many terms in mathematics that must be defined, that need to be defined. As you know, point, as you know, line, you use these terms frequently, a point, a line, but you must be clear with the definition of these terms also. So first of all, a point, he gave some axioms and he gave some postulates. First of all, you must be clear with axioms and postulates. What are axioms and what are postulates? There are some statements in mathematics which we assume that they are true. There is no need to prove them. As you prove the theorem, you prove the theorem. But there are some statements on basis of which we understand other concept. It means we take that statements as a true statement without any proof, without any doing their proof. We understand them as true statements, and that true statements are divided into two parts. First is axioms and second is postulates. These are the statements, true statements that do not have their proof. Okay, now what do you mean by axioms? Axiom means they are true statements that are applicable throughout mathematics. It means axioms are the true statements that are applicable on every branch of mathematics, whether it is algebra, whether it is geometry, whether it is trigonometry, doesn't matter. These are applicable on every branch of mathematics. But postulates these are true statements that are applicable only on geometry. It means only on this branch, geometry, there are some statements that we consider as true statement, and that true statements that are applicable only on branch geometry are known as postulates. And if true statements are applicable throughout the mathematics, throughout all branches of math, then these are known as axioms. Now, Euclid gave some postulates and Euclid gave some axioms to prove the statements that we will study in this chapter.